Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track your order on Android in Amazon Shopping 2026. And if you're using Android and waiting for an Amazon delivery, tracking your order takes just a few taps. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to track your Amazon order on Android in 2026. Let's follow these few simple steps. Now before we start, the Amazon Shopping app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can just go to the Play Store here and then you're gonna go and look for the Amazon Shopping app. Once you find it, we're gonna install it. Click on install, just like this. You're gonna type in Amazon Shopping app, like this. And once you find this, as you can see here, you're gonna click on here, and then click on this, and make sure to install and update the app. Now let's go back to our topic. And the first thing you want to do is to open the Amazon app. You're going to open the Amazon Shopping app and log in if needed. Make sure you're logged in. After that, you're going to tap on your orders. You're going to tap the menu icon or your profile icon, just like this. Click on your profile icon, and then you're going to click on orders from the section. As you can see here, you're going to see an option orders. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to choose your order. Now, make sure you place an order. Then you're going to choose the order and find the order you want. And then you're going to find the option to tap track package. And then after you tap it, you'll see real-time update, delivery progress, and arrival time. So you can check map tracking if available. For some deliveries, Amazon shows live map tracking when the driver is nearby. So make sure to do that. Now, Amazon order tracking on Android is quick and accurate. And as long as you're logged in, you can check your delivery status anytime, anywhere. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.